Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, Lucas Ribeiro, former player leMamelodi Sundowns, bamnominatile laphana for iFIFA award. Cabanga bafethu, goal of the year of 2025. Ile goal lela lishaya laphana ku-FIFA World Cup badlala neBorussia Dortmund. Already lela goal lela bafethu selwine i-goal of the tournament laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup laphana e-America. Saqhubeka-ke igoli lakhe bafethu bali-recognize all over the world. Yizwani-ke bafethu ukuthi u-against obani, u-against uYamal oweBarcelona. Imagine khona no-Rodriguez abadlala boma-Turkey, khona nabanye abantu abadlala boma, what is this country, boma-Indonesia. Khona ku-Rice lo we-Chelsea owashaya igoli elihle kakhulu bafethu against i-Real Madrid kwi-UEFA Champions League. And khona umuntu wase-Mexico, khona igoli laphana lase-Egypt. Hey bo, hayi khona namagoli igoli lase-Italy. So igoli lakhe is one of the best goals of the year, imagine. So izinto zimhambela kahle kakhulu Lucas Ribeiro. Yabona-ke if bekasase kuMamelodi Sundowns, siyazi ukuthi uMamelodi Sundowns ayitholanga lutho. Imali yakhe or transfer market yakhe or transfer fee beyizokhuphuka because of ukunominate for i-goal of the year bafethu akusinto encane. Uma ubheka ama-previous winners walelo one of the best players in history of football or some of the biggest names in football abake bawina le. U-Ibrahimovic uke walwina, baningi kakhulu bafethu abantu I think no Cristiano Ronaldo, if not Lionel Messi. But yeah, I'll go through i-list yalabantu laba bake bawina le prestigious award, i-award elikhulu ngempela bafethu eli-serious. Lucas Ribeiro saqhubeka wenze ibukwazi. Sikhumbule ukuthi just a week ago so ukwazile ukushaya igoli lakhe lokuqala laphana kule league le yase-Spain ku-second division. So izinto zimhambela kahle kakhulu. Siyazi ukuthi akakaqali ukudlala kahle fully, but guess what man, izinto zimhambela kahle. Sithemba ukuthi asazi ukuthi indaba yakhe neMamelodi Sundowns, to be honest bafethu kuzokwenzakalani, to be fair, because iMamelodi Sundowns kuthiwa they can still fight back, but-ke sobona ukuthi bazofayitha back kanjani because of sehambile already Lucas Ribeiro, seyadlala lapha ne-Europe. Ithi sibale bafethu abantu ama-big stars ake wawina le award: Cristiano Ronaldo, Fernando Torres, Iniesta bafethu, uMichael Essien, Adebayor. Baningi abantu abake bawina le award leli. Li-important. Wait, no, why ngibala abantu abarong? Cristiano Ronaldo oke walwina bafethu. Le uyavotelwa kumuntu. Adebayor akazalwina, bekwama-nomination. No-Neymar uke walwina le award leli bafethu. Namanye ama-players like agudi lese u-Ibrahimovic sengikhulumile ngaye. James Rodriguez uke walwina. Siyamkhumbula uJames Rodriguez bafethu ukuthi ubani uke wenzani in history of football. uMessi bakudala uJiroud uke walwina, shaya uMasuluke bafethu wala eSouth Africa. Oscar Masuluke lo wayedlalela iBaroka, yes, wakwazi ukuba unumber 2, wafinisha as number 2. I-record for goalkeeper ukuthi bamnominate. uMohamed Salah naye uke walwina le goal leli. uMessi njalo bayamnominate, but kunzima ukuthi alwine le award leli. Kuma-nominations isikhathi esiningi uyawashaya ama-goal of the year. uHlompho Kekana uke wanominate, but-ke azange awine umfowethu laphana. Even noKatla Wamphela le goal lakhe alishaya 2009 against iSpain, i-free kick bafethu siphelile isikhathi. Nomination uke wayithola. Cristiano Ronaldo uke walwina, uMessi akazalwini le award. So i-award elikhulu kakhulu leli bafethu ebholeni. Kusho ukuthi abantu-ke sobona ukuthi this time around abantu bazomvotela na, especially ama-football fanatics wase-South Africa, ukuthi azomvotela or ngeke amvotele because of uhambe ngale ndlela ahambe ngayo kuMamelodi Sundowns. It was unexpected after isizini yakhe enhle kakhulu bafethu kuMamelodi Sundowns. Wakwazi umhlaba wonke soyamazi bafethu. Bakhuluma ngaye boma-Germany, ko-Dortmund, kwela kubo eBrazil sebamazi kakhulu manje bafethu. Umfowethu bakhuluma ngaye. Obviously-ke i-market value yakhe mawebheka nakhona ikhuphukile. Why? Ikhushulwa yiyo le World Cup le bafethu, i-FIFA Club World Cup. Waphinda mayiwina i-award yakhuphuka, mayiwina inini, mebamrecognize kusho ukuthi njalo uma bakurecognize kusho ukuthi ebholeni kahle kahle udumo lakho, the more uduma cause manje the more uduma ama-image rights wakho, khona into ekuthiwa ama-image rights bafowethu, iyakhuphuka, everything nje yakho iyaphezulu when you are being recognized njalo, market value yakhuphuka. Imamelodi Sundowns that time, imagine mayijoyina iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu, i-market value yakhe bekuyi-600,000 euros, manje sekuyi-2 million, 2 million, meaning that i-market value yakhe since the first time ajoyina iMamelodi Sundowns ikhuphuke 3 times plus ne-200,000 phezulu bafowethu. What a journey, what a story. Lo muntu lo udlale, yazi before iMamelodi Sundowns to be honest bafethu ichintshile impilo kaLucas Ribeiro, sibeni fair, ichintshile, but-ke akusho ukuthi phela uma utshintsha impilo yomuntu soyam-owna ngithi. Kumele nikhulumisane, umuntu if he wants to leave the club kumele abe naleyo nto leyo ukuthi okay, nibe nokuhlala phansi nikhulume ukuthi okay, he wants to leave the club on this basis, nibe no-common ground. Mamelodi Sundowns kuthiwa la ngikhuluma ngestatement esakhishwa yiloya la Lucas Ribeiro eli-base lene Europe, lathi Lucas Ribeiro bamprize out of the market, basubmithe ama-offers a-different, baloke bayawakhuphula, bamitha evaluation, but-ke baloke bayakhuphula. Before afike eSouth Africa, uLucas Ribeiro bafethu beyengaziwa, bedlala laphana eBrazil, uma-team angaziwe eBrazil, wasuka waya eFrance, nakhona eFrance dala edlala yena since 2016 laphana eBrazil, but kuma-under 19 or so wakhuphuka waya eFrance, wodlalela i-team B yakhona, nakhona zange abe ne-success, izinto zakhe bezingahambi kahle. Waye eBelgium wadlalela ama-team amancane walaphana eBelgium, even le yaku-first division yaseBelgium bebaloka bamlona, ngazi ukuthi bamlone for how many years bafowethu, until wa-end up ku-second team vele yaku-second division, because bekadlala ku-second division, kusho ukuthi bamthenga permanent or so, asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, because I won't even go to history yakhona kakhulu bafowethu. Mamelodi Sundowns imthatha laphana ku-second division, imlethe eSouth Africa 2023, imsayina, it was July imsayina laphana. Yeah, since afika kuMamelodi Sundowns washaya amagoli, washisa iyikhotha. For 2 years ushaye 37 goals plus 23 assists. I won't forget ama-stats wakhe kuMamelodi Sundowns. It's incredible bafowethu. Even namanje no, i-market value yakhe masengibheka lana bafowethu ikhuphuke 4 times because of uloke nje uyakhula uLucas Ribeiro, uloku kuyakhuphuka. Yeah, ziyakhala impilo iMamelodi Sundowns itshintshile impilo yomfethu, but-ke ekugcineni ayitholanga nosheleni kuma-transfers, zange ithole ne-1 rand. But-ke i-team yase-Qatar, to be honest, they really tried to negotiate neMamelodi Sundowns. Unfortunately, it was not meant to be for Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns, they're not willing to let Lucas Ribeiro go. Why? Because bebafuna ukulwela what is this, Continental Football Champions League. Fortunately sebamluze mahala. Cela ukuyibamba la. Danko bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure bafethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Sesiseduze bafethu, sesiseduze.